Hello everyone, today we're going to France. On this video, we're making crepes, which is a delicious French recipe. You can make them salty, you can make them sweet, but first, let me show you how to make the basics and then you can eat them however you like. To prepare the crepes we need a third cup of melted butter, 1 cup of milk, 3/4 cup of flour, a pinch of salt, and 2 eggs. This is probably the easiest French recipe you'll ever cook. All you need to do is to combine all the ingredients together. The order I usually follow is the flour, then the eggs, then the milk, and then the butter, but you can literally just combine all 4 together and mix them. It is very important to use room temperature ingredients because that is what's going to define the texture. For this recipe, I am using salted butter, that is why I'm not adding any salt to the mixture. If your butter is unsalted, you might need to add a pinch of salt. After you've mixed everything together, the mixture should be whatever you call it between a creamy texture and a liquid texture. We are going to let the batter rest for about 30 minutes. Using the same pan that we melted the butter earlier, let's put it on medium heat and pour in the first crepe. I am pouring in about half a cup of the crepes butter, but it all depends on the size of your pan. The first crepe that you're gonna make is probably gonna be the most delicious one because of all the butter that we melted earlier, but it will not be the prettiest. After you pour in the mixture, make sure to tilt the pan sideways in a circular shape so that you can expand the area of the crepe. It is going to take about 1 minute on each side to be cooked. I'm going to fill mine in with prosciutto and cream cheese, but you can literally fill it in with whatever you like. You can use sour cream, you can use whipped cream, you can use Nutella, you can use farmer's cheese, whatever your heart desires. If you did like this recipe, make sure to check my Instagram page, Julio Cooks, where I post other recipes and restaurant reviews. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.